Hello, hello. Welcome in, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Tuesday morning. Sonny, I said I was going to call Comcast after stream yesterday. I didn't do it because I got a text message about 10 minutes after stream going, hey, we're doing maintenance in your area, so hopefully they fixed where the issues were. Anyway, we already have the lobby open. Let me get the code going so we can put that up. Lobby info. 3VWPYV. Alright. Anyway. You. I don't know if I took care of this. Yep, I did. Okay. No question marks at all, huh? Okay. Yeah, I'll get it till... Why does it keep ending up being the 5-minute mark? For people to come in so that, if anybody wishes to, they can join us from the start. Yeah, just giving people a chance. Just gonna have one item in it, because there's only been one quest. Dang it. Anyway. It's a nice gloomy Tuesday outside. I learned something that terrifies me yesterday. Discord has an article for what happens if you reach their user limit in your server. That user limit is 500,000. And there's ways to extend it. You just have to meet some criteria. And yeah, I'm just sitting here like, that's terrifying thing about a server that has. Sorry. A server that has reached the size of a major city in number of users. How the hell is that managed at all? It terrifies me. I only got about a minute left if anybody wants to join up. I guess we'll head out and do the join request. I want your outfit, old man. Old timer. Sorry I keep yawning. I just woke up shortly before stream, so you know. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we've already read that. Let's go. Onward and upward towards the infinite void. Alright. Whatever. It is right there anyway. Oh, brew hair. In that case, back to not caring. And shoot. Ah! Yeah, I did absolutely nothing after String Master. I was too tired to do shit. So I still gotta do all that stuff today after String. But luckily I have more time today as well. Well, technically I had plenty of time yesterday, but you know what I mean. It's time for the eruption phase, eh? Bang, bang. Come on, buddy. It's retreating! I guess it didn't wear off. Alright. Damn it. It wasn't letting me move, like I was out of stamina, but I shouldn't have been out of stamina. Now, I was also trying to drink a potion, but it wasn't letting me drink that either. Alright. Put this away. Well, I found myself wondering something. I found out that I just had my computer plugged into the wrong port. Or my USB thing for the USB 3.0 pass-through and all that. So I wonder if my old capture card was fine and it was just because I had plugged into the wrong one, so it was having trouble. I'm the only one on this hunt without a bow gun. But we are all bow users of a sense. That's funny. Alright. Hey look, the wing I was working on for a while is finally broken. Where'd it go anyway? Okay. Alright. Yep. I was not expecting a cutscene for this one. Bad report from Dr. Todori. The Curio attacked it in Anjanath, sucked it dry. That's what you said about resonance wasn't all talk about, Hari. Certainly a new level of activity from the Curio. Is it because they are without a host that they behave in this manner? You're going at it now. I mean, Anjanath are no snack. Those Curio mean business. But why now? What's got them all stirred up and hunting for food? First hypothesis. They're surviving autonomous. Am I saying that right? Autonomously. Yeah, I am. Okay, it's just one of those times where it felt wrong. Now. Second hypothesis. They found a new host. We can go ahead and shoot that first idea down. If they don't need a host to survive, they didn't need Malzeno. That idea is more plausible, but then who's the new host? Surely not another Malzeno. There'd be another crater if that were the case, and there's no reports of this sort. Exactly, Fio. The crater that wrecked the capital and the one that opened up are both due to Malzeno. If no one's reporting a gigantic hole in their backyard, there's no new Malzeno. Keep a close one on Curio's movements, Bahari. I'll mobilize a dedicated team to investigate. Ours, Fiorin. Carry on handling quests, but I'll be on the lookout for Curio activity. Yeah. here before I... Meow, and then Soupy encounters an antique that's truly unforgettable. Something happened with Meowsters. Have you ever seen Pirate Kadaki before? Capture Pirate Kadaki. So, Kamura wants to talk to me about being a follower. Yeah. Let's see. Seems a Spinas running around. Okay. Yep, capturing a Spinas. Capturing a Bagel. Curio are being active, yada yada. Urging Amigazusune. Yep. Alright. Deliver a premium wyvern egg, which I know where to get those. What do you want, Fiorin? Alright. Da-da-da. Oh, it's you. Yep, new follower request. Alright, let's go. Ooh, what a chance we have here. It's not every day you get to investigate polar opposite monsters. Misusune uses grace to corner prey, whereas Orjang crushes her opponents with overwhelming strength. A researcher's dream. Oh, hey, Nelly. I'll go on in. You know what's crazy thing about Nelly? Is we're almost at the end of the list. Soon there will be no more Monster Hunter until DLC is out or new games are out. Except when I go back and do that Road to 100 on one of these games, but I'm not counting that. I'm talking like just in general. I won't have to be beholden to this list anymore. And look how long it's taken me. Look at that timer. Next week we'll be done with this game. And that leaves 3 games. I already know what I'm going to play before I go on to my next list. And I think I'll do the next list before I do the Road to 100, because I don't want to do the Road to 100 immediately. You know what I mean? I want to take like at least 3 months off, and the next list is probably going to take at most 5 months. Because it's a game franchise where most of the games only take like 3 or 4 hours to beat, so most of them. stomach is screaming at me to burp, but I can't because there's nothing to burp. I haven't eaten or drank anything yet. I seriously woke up, did some push-ups, went to the bathroom, put on my computer, and got ready to stream. Woo! I've got 50 guild cards. What is Rajang weak to anyway? Well, it's not weak to fire, it's weak to ice and water. Ice bow it is. See if I got anything I can upgrade. Alright. I had an idea for a dongle to turn the bond between you and your buddies into pure protective power. Only problem is, the ingredients will only grow up way in the highlands where powerful monsters live. Be a sweet bean and keep them busy while I grab the ingredients. Yeah. I was delayed on that last person. Everything. Some people just want to show off how much they min-max, don't they? Nope, you can't marry that spider the Shigeru Megala, or possibly any other dragons then. Oh, I know I said I don't care about being affiliate in the past, but I think when I get the new layout finished and we're switched over, I'm going to start the road to affiliate, the push, you know. Because honestly, all that's left is getting the average viewers anyway. My highest count so far is an average of 1.8, but you know, out of 4. And I need to get 4 on 4 separate days, but you know, it shouldn't be too difficult but once I start actually pushing. Especially if I do more collabs, because not trying to use people I know, just, you know, I know people are willing to help and it'll be fun, you know. I've tried doing collabs with this game in the past, but or not this game specifically, but like this whole thing. But most of the time, my schedule doesn't line up with others for this. Because Monster Hunter, you need to have people available for at least 2 hours, guaranteed. There we go. Shaggy's been defeated, and now that just leaves Raging Monkey. So I hope my mic is fine today. The volume's where I normally keep it. It's just I know I'm also being soft-spoken. I'm not doing it on purpose. My voice doesn't want to be higher than this today. You know how it goes sometimes where you don't want to be loud at all. You know, it's funny though, I'm really tempted to just do a long stream on Tuesday or Monday next week and try to beat the game in one big stream, just because of the VODs. Because if I do that, it ends on part 25. Versus if I don't do that, it ends on part 26. By the way, it's something I was thinking about for a bit, and I never actually mentioned it. This game, I feel actually does the research better, like the whole research aspect better than Monster Hunter World did. Because in World, for both final bosses, it's just Deus Ex Machina in. Someone comes along and says, hey, I found this thing, and you go and hunt it. Versus in this game, you are constantly either fully aware of the beast, or in this case, yeah, in the sort of the twins are Deus Ex Machina, but at the same time, we are aware of the Elder Dragons, and then we find out that the only Deus Ex Machina is them realizing that we didn't actually fully defeat them yet, and we still have more to do. Meanwhile, for this half, we are actually following the Curio. We're actually seeing everything. We're doing the work ourselves, you know? But in World, it's just we're running around doing things, and then suddenly, hey, I found the source of our troubles, or I found where this is going. Or, in the case of the first final boss, it's, hey, you need to see this. There's just a new person. I was suddenly taking a nap when suddenly all these things started falling from the sky. Me, boy, it was scary. See, a horn came out from underneath me. Monsters are coming from every direction. Help! No, you'll suffer. Suffer as I have suffered. Alright. What's really funny is I know there's plenty of people who have put the same amount of effort into this subgenre as I have, but I don't know have done it the way I have, really. Because everybody else, everybody I've talked to that's played half the games that I've played, they either didn't beat them, or just been years since they played them. So they can only go based off old memory instead of fresh memory. Holy shit, I think that's the first. Oh, nope, I still missed him. Wait, no, I didn't. Holy shit. Alright. Next week is the stream anniversary. I think it's hilarious. I said I'm not going to do a big thing for the stream anniversary again. Like last year, I did stream for a whole week for it. And then this year, I'm streaming for a whole fucking month. It's not for the stream anniversary, it's for Pride Month, but you know, it's one of those things of, oh, crap, I did it anyway. I don't know what game I was playing during stream anniversary last year. I think it was Monster Hunter 4? I had to check the list and check the dates. Yeah, missed. Largest size? Jeez, I already had a large Diablo, so what the hell? If I don't get Twisted Stout Horn in the rewards, I'll be disappointed. there anything from Bagel? Yeah, I gotta capture it. Or not. Wow, that ground texture is awful. There are areas of this game that actually look gorgeous, and that is not one. Look, another chance to capture a bagel. I'm missing 2 items from the Motley Mix list. Anyway. Alright. Just doing this so I can restore my tickets. Alright, let's go. We all need a bit of excitement in our lives, don't you think? That's why I prepare a special quest just for you. The target's to save your dangerous monsters. Now get out there and have fun. Fun is relative. Alright. We run around, we run around, we run around. I keep an eye on this because I do need to capture it. Game. I told you pull the bow back out. I don't even know what sent me flying in the first place. God damn it. I'm sorry, that's just funny. I'm running away! Back to where I was when you first encountered me. What was that noise? This time there's plenty of warning to try to help capture it. Because apparently I did that right when it was time to, last time. Yay. It's dance time. Yostra. Okay, something weird is going on with one of the players here. There's no way in hell they should only be at... Oh, wait. No, I know why they're stuck at HR 20. They're ignoring their urgent quest. Alright. Oh, good. We have the Monster Hunter World set. Wonderful. Let's head out. A hot, scorching wind blows from the sandy plains, the same wind once felt from Teostra that turned the village into a sea of flame. I beg you, Hunter, please stop that wretched beast. Anyway. Let's go. I should. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to get those, I'll have to do that. Sorry, I just realized there's something else I'm gonna have to do for the, new, loadout, or layout. That's changing some of my alerts to be better fit to the theme instead of just being ones I just created, you know? I already know what Willem's going to be, it's just gotta make it, you know. They'll be disabled till I'm ready for the new layout. Yeah, Diostra. Yeah, if we finish MR5 this early, we might start MR6 just because I don't know how many quests it's going to take. You know. Because I think there's only 4 quests left in this ranking. Break the face! Where are you headed? To the desert! Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry, give me a second, I'll make an easy target for you. I love how you can tell who's actually taking time to actually customize their messages and who hasn't, entirely based on the responses. And it seems to be far more often non-English speakers have actually customized them. I don't know why I wasted that potion. Just gonna sit right here on the edge. Wow, the desert textures really are pretty bad when you actually look at them, aren't they? Like, they look fine from a distance, but when you're up on top of them, looking directly at them, Jesus. I was hoping for the flop back emote. That way I can fall off the edge again. Like that time in Frozen Islands where that happened. Well, I didn't fall, but you know what I mean. Like, it made no sense because I should have been floating on thin air. A sail? That means it's lottery. Still not what I'm after in the lottery, but you know. He wants to talk to me. Oh, it's you. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, I actually want to go in there for checking Kushala because I can't remember Kushala's weakness. Thunder. Give me, because I have a decent thunder bow. There it is. Wait. The mountain's green? It was white. That's... They're showing time passing? What the fuck? What the fuck? I... Just go on the quest. I saw it in the middle of a blinding snowstorm. There it was, dark black wings. Dark black wings were dancing in the sky. No mere human can stand up to it. Don't even think of hunting it. Alright. Almost dodged into that attack. Like a fool. Foolish mortals. Everybody loves Elder Dragon hunting, right? Right. Leaving, okay. Well, time to verify my hypothesis about the Elder Dragons. Let's grab this. Because you're on the way, might as well grab you. If I'm wrong, that means I was just getting really bad timing against what's it called? Shigaru. Yep. So you wanna know a silly thing about me and Monster Hunter? For the longest time, I thought Thunderblight was entirely a tracking thing for the monsters. Because I couldn't tell what it did. It didn't seem to do much. Other than put a little, you know, lightning effect around me. And Keizu is, well, Keizu and Giganox were the first monsters I've seen use it, so I thought it was just, you know, they use it so they can hear where you are easier. I since learned that it actually does something, but you know. I think I just had bad timing in Shaggy on using that. Boca Wing. My nose feels weird today. It doesn't feel stuffy, but it doesn't feel clear. Also, this Kushala Daora feels like it's not putting up much of a fight. Like, I know I got another person here, but like the attacks that have come direct at me have been pretty easy to dodge so far. And it's also I'm just in the right zone today for this, but you know. Blizzard attack failed. Honestly, that's probably the closest thing to a surprise attack you had this whole fight, so, oh, and one angry dragon or two hunters? One angry dragon is already almost dead, or two hunters? I forgot about that dragon attack.
Eric, how are you doing this?
Alright then. People are gathering at the Citadel. Citadel? Again? As if the place is cursed. Oh, I didn't mean... You should give me arrow. I haven't sold your home. Forget it. My own home may be very well be cursed. Cursed by the Archdemon of the Abyss. The Archdemon of the Abyss. Heard of it before, Avarice? There's no legend in the kingdom. Tells of a demon deep underground, lying in wait. When people's hearts are filled with darkness, it will serve to destroy them. It's not just some bedtime story. I mean, I know I was the one who first mentioned the whole curse idea, but I didn't mean it. This isn't like you. Apologize, I didn't mean to unsettle you. Head to the Citadel and report back on what the Curio are doing. Looks like Dory's on a mission of his own. Guess he's got a hunch. You two be careful out there. Alright. Okay, I was about to say, there's no way in hell we're already at the Yogmazius. Alright, yeah, looks like we got some optionals here of doing each of these hours after we beat them. Oh, one, okay. I went up, Dragon, Jewel 1. So Camilo says week 2, right? Is Dragon? Fire and Dragon. Good enough. I teach the art of fighting an invisible opponent. Remain calm, for your enemy will give away their position. I'm not trained to fight humans. I'm trained to fight humans, not beasts. I shall leave this monster to you. Microphone. There we go. Sorry, I had to sneeze, so I muted for a second. And it didn't want to mute. Anyway. Oh, interesting. I sure that tree's way too hard to climb. So by myself, I'm gathering anything I can to make sure I'm boosted proper. Itchy eye, sorry. I think my allergies are acting up today or something.
What? What?
What even is Camelios anyway? Oh. Anyway. Anyway, welcome back to another early morning Twitch stream. I'm your host, Avarice, and today we will be fighting a Chameleos, along with several other Elder Dragons. Come along with us on this wonderful little journey. As we watch me struggle. Struggle is a very strong word, considering I've fought at least 10 of these things now. I know their attack patterns. I use the word struggle because I am by myself, which means it will take much longer to kill. Because that is the way of the monster hunts. Hi, Chameleos. That's right, you can go to sleep, it's fine. We're gentle, we're friendly. We're gonna blow you up. I hope you enjoyed that morning wake-up call. My defense, no! I wonder how long I'll be able to keep up this calm, soothing voice attempt I'm doing. I have no idea how that missed me. That one didn't. Run away! Yes, let us run away on this calm Tuesday morning. We must not get too careless, because if we do, the Chameleos will destroy us. Now, this is an Elder Dragon, known for being able to blend into its environment very well. It has caught many a hunter by surprise. Observe as Chameleos just looks around, its eyes darting every direction. Alright, that was not acting what I'm telling him to. There we go. Nope. Anyway. Thank you for tuning into WTWT, your early Twitch morning talk radio show. As I drink an antidote multiple times, trying to depoison myself. Notice how the communist regards its environment. Rays strike with poison in every direction, without care for any life in this area that may have to deal with the cleanup and not. And, yeah. Notice how this is now a barren wasteland in this cave, where no life will grow. Helios, we thank you for your service in ruining the environment. No, in all seriousness, how does freaking Chameleos even make sense in this world? As an ambush hunter, yes, that part makes sense. But how do you deal with the poison that spews everywhere? That poison makes no sense. Yes. We're gonna grab the Espinus and have it attack Chameleos. Come with us as we go on a journey where we ride a dragon against a chameleon. Forward into the battle, the Espinus marches. And it gets the first strike. And Chameleos goes down. Fascinating. Why do my subtitles appear to be understanding what I'm saying better when I talk like this than when I talk at my normal voice? There's a mystery that I may never solve. And for those that worry about the subtitles looking super tiny when they get full, worry not. On the new layout, they'll be better, and I'll see if I can figure out how to fix them for this one. Got double smacked by a rock. That was very not cool, Chameleos. For your transgressions, I shoot you in the face. Or the stomach, apparently. Either way. Again with the rocks? Chameleos, please. Watch. as the Camille sprays poison in every direction. The only solace I have about that poison is the possibility that it can only affect Animalia due to some sort of binding agent that plant cell walls prevent. Of course, I could just be bullshitting. But yes, we will be streaming till 1 p.m. regardless of if that means we're in MR6 or still in MR5. We should not be in MR5. I'm pretty sure the urgent quest we have is going to be the end of Master Rank 5. But we will see. For now, we've got Elder Dragons to hunt. The slope that has been my bane has saved me on this day. Thank you, slope. Alright. Purity, you have returned in our hour of need as we slay the Chameleos. Take my hand as we journey across the land and slay the dragon clan. Dragon Tales, come along for Dragon Tales. Come along and take my hand. We're off to Dragonland. Welcome on in, Fire Guy. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome on in, Culabella. Thank you for joining the quest. You have a wonderful day, Fire Guy. I finally got my pollen back. Gone through many antidotes in this fight. Now we aim, and right down the center. This Camillus' time is coming to an end. It won't be much longer now, my friends. And with that, we have defeated the Camillus. It now goes to another place of rest. Let's now carve the body so that the Camillus may live on in other uses. Mostly in my box because I barely touched Camillus parts. Now for some smooth jazz from our great artist, Tiki Water. I do not know, I'm just making it up as I go. It's like most of my life, I do everything as it goes. I see Fire Guy has returned. Welcome back, Fire Guy. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Welcome to my humble lobby. Who wants to talk to me? Oh, we're here at the Community Outpost. Someone was just talk. It was Leif Yoren. Trial completed. Admiral Gallius, I appreciate the Elgato ticket. May you have a wonderful day, sir. Report begins. Kushade or spot in the Citadel. Stop. Requesting support from all qualified hunters. Stop. Reporting live from inside a cyclone. Report ends. I'm honestly looking forward to when I'm finished with the new layout so I can give everybody a nice little tour of it. In fact, when the new layout is ready to debut, I don't think I'll do a full game stream. I think I'll do a short stream where I just play something for a little bit while after I give you all a tour of the new stuff. Yes, I think that'll be most excellent. It is a wonderful idea. I know not what I will play, but I'm going to make a nice simple thing that requires almost no thought. The whole point will be to have everybody see how everything works in the new layout. Because it is very different. It is taking a lot of effort. I'm very proud of it. I've done most of the assets myself. Alright. I apologize for that moment, that long silence. There was something at the door and there was a train going by. Hello, cat. I hope you're having a fun time. What are you looking at? Okay. Quest complete. Hey. No licking the floor, you weirdo. Oh, the others have vanished. Wonderful. Alright, I guess we're going to go fight Lunagaron. Yeah, we wonderful day, fire guy. Our mission is to investigate the curio gathered in the Citadel. We must first hunt Lunagaron to ensure that the area is secure. Archie and Abyss, let's focus on the mission and save the bedtime stories for later. Interesting. There's not even spear birds anywhere. The curio truly are a curious thing. The map truly is devoid, except for Lunagaron. And this Lunagaron is the first anomaly quest. Yes, I know what the anomaly quests are, despite not having done Sunbreak. further up. I was confused because I thought it was right here, but it was not. My stomach grumbles. Worry not, we shall eat soon. First, we have things we must take care of. We have found a spear bird. It was hiding in the plants. I already know what today's raid message is going to be. Let me go ahead and type it up before I forget it. Alright. There we are. It's all set, so I cannot forget it. I need large monsters. Oh, yeah, right, because I bought that Chameleos for the first time and mastering. Anyway. Sorry for the delay there, Zeus. When did I get injured? I was trying to heal. And I failed. Let's go. Off into the wild blue yonder. You know what it's like living in areas like this? It's beautiful. You can literally go out maybe 20 minutes and you'll be completely surrounded by wildlife. You won't even hear another human. It is very relaxing. The exception, of course, is when other humans are out there as well. Which does happen from time to time. Even then, everybody's usually in good spirits because everybody's out enjoying nature and relaxing. Oh, it left. That's what I get for not double checking the map on my way. I knew that tree drifted something for a reason. I did not realize it was an area trap. I guess it appears to be one, but seems to have not done anything. Curious. Yeah, that is definitely poison all over the ground now. Yet Lunagron is not poisoned. Oh yes it is. Never mind, I am blind. I apologize. Good work, everybody. And I feel that there will be a cutscene, so I'm getting ready to put that in cutscene mode. We'll see if I'm correct. I was. Huh? I was not expecting a second scene.
ドリアギスフィネク
フィダレームラグガムスーギリアーキファテイムラギーレ
フィダレームティオスイルミグラオファレエルグーシルミニュネーダ
セタージトゥレンネ
ラモエベタミーガ
ザファレテローダ
よし
テメゼータトーレユゲレラグーホローレトベラガギーレ
Well, the beast wrapped in hellfire did plunge to the depths. Alright. Avarice, Buren. Good to see you safe. Admiral, so that was the hunting ship you had built in the capital. Yes. Thanks to the people of Comero, we were able to make it in time. We appreciate the assistance, Admiral, but I'm completely confused. What on earth was that? The Archdemon of the Abyss. We talked about before, right? The demon that rises up from underground to destroy us all. So, it's not a fairy tale. Ages ago, people in the kingdom reported a ferocious bellowing coming from deep beneath them. That's where the story started. Back when the Admiral was a boy, his home, the place we call Citadel today, was attacked by Malzeno. You heard those same bellowing sounds then too, right, Admiral? Rising up from the bowels of the earth. As the rumbling proceeded, Malzeno circled above as if waiting for something. No link was proven, but in my mind, I was sure the Archdemon was real, and that was connected to Malzeno. So when I became Admiral, I told Her Majesty Bahari and I ordered the ship's construction. We've proven right this time. The Archdemon of the Abyss finally surfaced. Is that the Curio's new host? More like the true host. This latest incident has answered a lot of questions. To start with, the mysterious craters. They weren't made by Malzeno at all. They're made by the Archdemon. Malzeno, the elder dragon of the kingdom, gets a whiff of something invading his territory, goes to check it out. It's all a gigantic turf war, basically. One that the rest of us got dragged into, but they didn't fight it out right away. The Archdemons never surfaced before, so we all assumed the craters were Malzeno's doing, but come on, look at the size of them. I see, and the Curio were the Archdemon's parting shot against the Malzeno. They were left to feed on the surface before returning their true host. Right. Now it's gotten all that energy from the Curio, so there's no telling how powerful it is now. It has never been a threat. I mean, it's nearly wiped it out twice, and now its number one enemy is out of the picture. All our new ship do is buy us some time. If that thing surfaces, we're toast. We mustn't give in to fear. With Avarice itself, have we overcome impossible odds already, just as Kamara had to? Avarice the Fierce, we need you to stoke the flames of your fighting spirit once more and help save the kingdom. Give us informed us they've given the Archdemon the name Gyasma Gorm. With your help, we'll lay this devil to rest. I sent the Chevaliers ahead to probe the area. Once there, they'll serve as liaison to the rest of us on the surface. Before that fiend finds its way back to the surface, we must take the ship to the crater and finish it. Let's move. It's time for the last time. We'll destroy the dark evil under our feet and let the light fill the kingdom once more. The Archdemon in the Abyss, so Fairy Tail Demon is behind all this. But the story goes out when people's hearts are filled with darkness, will serve to destroy them. You have all the knights, all the research team, everyone's worked so hard to protect the kingdom. None of their hearts are filled with darkness. Nothing can be further from the truth. The king has faith in you. Chevaliers after the Archdemon will be responsible for liaison with the surface, so you focus on the battle. I have faith in you, and you will fulfill your duty. I'll be waiting here for your safe return. Oh, we're already done. Huh. This guy Asmagorm is the final boss of Sunbreak. I was not expecting that. Huh. I shall wait the rest's return, because I don't blame them for going on quest while waiting on me to get through the cutscenes. Like guys, we're going to be in the middle of MR6. MR6 appears to be purely post game. Most interesting. Who messaged me? Oh, then it looks like next week we'll be starting Eternal Strands. Most interesting indeed. Or I might just do Ephemeral Fantasia on Monday and Tuesday next week so we can get maximize progress before the end of the month. Hmm. Is this hunt or repel? Let me double check that. Hunt. Okay. In that case, yeah. Holy shit. I am legitimately surprised. I'll do a couple bonus quests after this one though, just to because I do not want to end yet. Maybe. We'll see. It depends on how things are going by the time this quest's over. There's a chance we may have to do it more than once. Because Monster Hunter. Wait, did that clear out my quest? It did not. Interesting. It just doesn't let me see it when I'm in there. Most interesting indeed. Ah, yes, that is going to take them a moment. How much time has passed? It does not say. But like I said, we shall wait. There's no point in going right now. You know, it's interesting. I got low a couple of times, but I don't think I ran out of login apples at all in this game. There are times where I cut close, but I don't think I ever actually ran out. find it funny that I instinctually try to draw my weapon every once in a while just to shoot at things. I just want to shoot the water right there. It doesn't work very well, does it? Now past a certain distance, the wire appears to be not animated at all. Yeah, it's just micro animated. By that I mean it's too far away for us to see the movement, even though it is moving still. Yes. Someone just threw something in the dumpster and scared the daylights out of me. Yeah, there's the garbage guys picking up the dumpster. It's garbage guys picking up the dumpster. Woke you up. Buddy Smith, I require new armor for my cat. Yumi, you're silliest. That is very silly. I do enjoy that. But I do not have the materials for a full set. Hmm. We shall be a silly little king. Welcome back, everybody. Oh, they have not returned yet. They're on their way back. I shall await their return as I watch over them. Actually, even better idea. Let's go right here, because they shall appear right there. Gestures and wave. One has already returned. Now we wait on the others. At last, they have returned. Our daring heroes. You are to descend to the crater, locate Chiasmagon, and then defeat it. The fate of the kingdom, Kamra, the fate of us all depends on your success. Go forth, hero of Kamra, and be victorious. It's going to be a cutscene, so we shall get that pulled up right now.
Lingara, Lukiar, Morado Mujir. Mijokumo, Ugirodor, Genilamus. Tedoramofa, Meridolor, Morofame, Dogare. Lugarimoji, Rosafidora. Jira, Inilare. Lumakiroda, Littose, Morero Dojikaledo. Yora Mejiro, Lidobiora, Yuramalizalora. Kuiji Como, Reguru Lamarok. Tora Zenyuha. Ekurihi Yutemi, Elda Rogara, Koda de Keto. Nyura. Horishi. Igenoriku, Aimo Temiya, Yutosumu.
My guess is that it appears to be fire and possibly dragon, so therefore it's most likely weak to dragon and thunder. Possibly ice. I'm not sure. I can only attack. I have no knowledge. I must march into battle. But that is why I want the dragon bow. This is most likely out of mine to be able to damage extra. Now it says out of range, but I'm constantly hitting it because it's just so large. It's also very slow. Hey, it hit me. Actually, it looks like it hit most of us there. Did I not grab first aid med? I did. There it is. I'm just blind. Maybe blast helmet instead of fire. I shall let someone else pull the lever. Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever.
上ハロダーモルスシベイが手に入ろ
The backbreaker. Alright, we are back. So, for everybody on Twitch that missed the cutscene, the monster went off the edge. Let's go. So that we may finish off the beast. I don't know what happened there. Twitch fully disconnected and reconnected. My internet did not go down, so it was something on Twitch's end. As you can tell, everybody's still here, which means it was on Twitch's end and not mine. Because if my internet went down, nobody would be here either. It could be my end. I'll, for safety, I'll disconnect and reconnect Twitch after stream, just in case there's an issue with the stream key again. Because Twitch, for some reason, requires that to be reconnected every once in a while to keep it from having issues with OBS. Come, fell beast, let us destroy you, that the kingdom may be at peace. You're also a monster I could see coming back in a later Monster Hunter game. Ignatius, I have a present for you. Get water blighted, nerd. Very good, we have gotten the tail. And now my internet has gone down. Alright, that time it was my internet going down. I do apologize. Hopefully I can finish this fight without having to do a new one. Oh, let me turn off the lobby information because that's pointless since there's no lobby to join now. I just noticed this proof of a hero playing. How wonderful. We're gonna take a look real quick. Ow. Didn't mean to switch over to max potion, but I will not complain because I'm now full health. This is the final battle after all anyway, so it's not like it's that big of a deal. Sounds like this I'm glad I record the VOD now instead of having to download from Twitch and put everything together, because that's going to lead to a very broken one in the case of days like today, where things happen. They're proving to be very annoying in this phase of the fight. We are nearly done, I know that. Group over here wouldn't be playing if we weren't in the final stages of the fight. I still have to get you flashing so that I know you're ready to die. Potentially dangerous thing. Absolutely worth it. You are a combination of a Valstrax and that boss from world I forgot the name of, the Iceborne final boss. Xeno'jiiva is something. I was trying dodge game. Thank you for ignoring my button inputs. I am retreating to restore my healing items. Oh dear. I have no idea what was going on with my internet. It dropped again. I do apologize. I just now noticed, but came back up right when I went to go push the BRB button. I just do that so that it pauses the timer while the internet's down, and I just pause the game. I do apologize. I hope that the issue gets resolved shortly, so that nobody misses the end of the game. It is flashing now, though, which means we are nearly complete. I appreciate using Healing Clover Map. I have no idea where you placed it. Oh, there it is. Don't be worrying. We must finish this. The beast is nearly felled. I wonder if it is susceptible to flash bombs. It does not appear to be. I have fainted. But it matters not. Be near the end. Beast shall fall. See how it flashes. Let's give ourselves Donga Defender so that we can take less damage. Please, fall, beast. This fight has gone long enough. It is done. The fell beast has been felled.
ドルリポルイーレススーガデセラキーファ フレイムトーです
Because I know there's going to be a cutscene as soon as this transfers, we'll go ahead and get full screen mode.
アーキファティムラーニフクーメエシムミーハアーキスメラーティエルダークティーテシーロアルリデーラオヌシクージ
I shall meet during the credits.
ルフーデオミーリシラダーグ エルガド・クーラフォミファーキ エシム・ミーハアーキトーレルイセラディオイマラテエルナネアオセ Oh, morte, oggi
it's too late. Anyway, as hacking beaten. When we get back to town, it'll probably be some text. I'm not worried about that. We'll see in a second. If a conversation pops up, I'll go through it just to clear it out. But outstanding work, Avarice. Thanks to your help, the threat to the kingdom is no more. I want to express my gratitude too. I'm quite sure without you, we won't have made it through this. Hero totally lost their host now. They'll slowly die out, or they should at least. Not overly convincing, Bahari, but they are real pests, these Curio. We cannot rest until the threat has been completely eliminated. Reed, I mean, they sucked the life out of that Anjanath. I guess it's some kind of hominid instinct kicking in that made him so aggressive, but it could happen again. Here, all is quiet and calm around us. I ask you to stay here on Elgato if you don't mind. That's the same. Nothing gives me greater reassurance than having your skills to fall back on. Well, stay? Wonderful. We're deeply indebted to you. Shishe has new quests that need your attention. Don't worry. We'll keep watching Curio, and with Team Elgato, the kingdom has never been safer. Alright. You know what time it is? That's right. It's time to update the list. I have not decided if we're going to start Eternal Strands next week or if we're going to wait till July, because I attempted just play Ephemeral Fantasia on Monday and Tuesday. Let's set this to today and move it to completed. And save. Yay! And we'll go ahead and get Eternal Strands moved over to in progress, but we will not set a... Actually, no we won't, because I think in this case it starts the timer on that day. Yeah. Alright. And also, because I'm curious, I don't think I was on GU yet during that. Was it 4U or Final Fantasy? Darn it, didn't save the thing so I moved it over. Wonderful, I'll have to look into that later then. Anyway, I'll get this updated later. For now though, let's go ahead and stop our timer. I'm not going to do bonus stuff just because the internet was kicking the bucket for a bit, so I just don't trust it now. I'm going to close this. Oh, hold up. Turn that off. So it can't mess with us later. Alright. We're going to go ahead and raid off the Beepend, who are playing Okami. And our raid message is going to be raiding you live from WTWT, Twitch Public Streaming Service. Thank you everybody for stopping by. We'll be back tomorrow with more Ephemeral Fantasia. Meantime though, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you over here next time. Bye bye.